Nowadays, aging is one of the most common health problems found in women. There are two main culprits that accelerate the aging process of our skin. Number 1 is sun exposure and number 2 is advanced glycation end products, AGS. AGS form when protein or fat is combined with sugar. While these aging culprits aren't 100% in our control, using sunscreen and taking the mind of your overall diet can help with how our body protects and heals our skin. And although minding your diet is easier said than done, it always helps to have a little reminder of how certain foods can affect your skin health. Our list can help with that. Hi there viewers, welcome back to Nutripedia. In this video, we talk about 5 foods that speed up your body's aging process. It's a request to all my viewers, please watch this video till the end, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notifications on our new videos update. Number 1. White sugar. Excess processed sugar in your diet, even in small amounts, can cause dark circles, wrinkles, dehydrate skin, and can fast-track the aging process. When sugar enters your bloodstream, excess sugar attaches to proteins in your bloodstream and creates harmful molecules called AGS, or advanced glycation end products. It damages the collagen and elastin of the skin, which contribute to wrinkles and other signs of aging. It can be quite difficult to give up on sugar. But for a healthy weight and overall health, you need to follow all necessary steps that can help you reduce sugar intake. Whenever you crave sugar, it is better to eat a fruit instead of sweet treats. Number 2, processed potato chips. When you're craving salt, it can be so hard to say no to potato chips. But if you want to slow down the aging process, you're better off skipping that bag of chips. Foods fried in oil at high temperatures release free radicals that can cause cellular damage to the skin. Exposure to free radicals accelerates the aging process due to an action called cross-linking. Cross-linking affects DNA molecules and can weaken skin's elasticity. What's more, consuming too much salt can draw water out from the skin and lead to dehydration. That may make your skin more prone to wrinkling. Number 3, soft drink or soda. Soft drinks may quench your thirst and provide an energy boost. They also can do a lot of damage, beyond expanding your waistline. Science says that, when it comes to aging, there's no drink worse than sugar-sweetened soda. The more sodas and energy drinks you consume, the quicker the cells in your tissues age. Number 4, alcohol. Alcohol is the number 1 food to avoid if you're looking to slow down the aging process. Alcohol causes dehydration. Overconsumption of alcohol depletes minerals as well as essential fatty acids and speeds up aging in the form of premature wrinkles, loss of collagen, redness, dehydration, and puffiness. And last but not least, number 5, caffeine. Without a doubt, there are a lot of health benefits that come along with drinking a cup of coffee. Research shows that safe caffeine consumption via your favorite piping hot mug can help with mental clarity, improve your memory, and even lower your risk of Alzheimer's. Not to mention that studies have proven that drinking coffee may lower your risk of depression and minimize your chances of developing type 2 diabetes. Of course, as we know all too well, nothing is entirely perfect, and sadly, coffee is no exception. Caffeine is a diuretic, which makes you excrete fluid and creates a lack of moisture in your body. This makes your skin dry and fragile, and somehow it's helped to accelerate the aging process in your body. Please tell us below in the comment section which of the 1 food you will stop consuming after watching this video. Hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Here are 2 more videos you should check out, both of them will help you to reach your goals. Thank you.